Guys, so you just took your test. I'm not going to have you do any homework, but you can continue working on your storyboards if you like. Remember, once you're done with your storyboard, if you haven't turned it in yet, to turn it in digitally, what you're going to do is go ahead and take a picture using your cell phone or tablet of your storyboard. If you put your level 2 or 3 question or any materials on the back, go ahead and make sure that you send 2 pictures, one of the front and one of the back. And then I would highly recommend sending it to this phone number right here and be sure to include your name. This phone number goes to my Google Voice account. It's not my personal number or anything, so don't feel like weird sending me a picture of your assignment to this phone number. For some reason, Gmail just doesn't send as efficiently as Google Voice, so that's why I'm having you guys send it to that phone number instead. Plus, I think it might be a little bit easier to send a picture from a phone to another phone number. Let me see. Okay, this midterm Google form. This is an optional anonymous survey that I was hoping you guys would take so I can get some feedback on how to make this class better. One of my past students that I'm friends with Facebook on, she posted something that I thought was super interesting and intriguing, and it made me kind of wonder how distance learning is going for you guys. It was something along the lines of like, it feels like distance learning is just constantly trying to meet deadlines. Like teachers are posting too much. And so she didn't really feel like she was learning anything. It was more like getting things done to meet a deadline and then moving on super duper quick. So she wasn't actually learning. I really don't want that to happen. And I hope that so far things haven't been going like that for you. But just in case, I have this little form right here where you can kind of tell me just how you're feeling about the class. If you like the homework reminders that I send out on Friday to your email, if they're not helpful to you, or the deadlines, do you have enough time to work on your stuff? Do you feel like there's too much homework in this class? And then your distance learning day material, do you feel like it's just busy work? Is there too much posted? Is it like just the right level where you're like, I see the point of this and I can do this by myself, so on and so forth. And this one, I asked the same questions to my advisory class and they gave me some good feedback. And here was something that kids mentioned is they liked having work time on their in-class days so they could ask questions to the teacher. And I was assuming that you guys might like your work time during your distance learning day, so that way you can kind of like chill out and watch Netflix as you like do your work or whatever. So go ahead and fill this out. It's all anonymous. And then at the bottom, if there's anything you felt like I was missing, or if there's anything you want to expand on in more detail, feel free just to type it in. And you guys can be as honest as you want. I'm not going to be able to see who responds. I'm not even collecting email addresses on that, so I can't like go back and see who submitted what form to try to figure out if you said anything, whatever. All right. I think that pretty much covers it. So feel free to take that if you would like to help me make American government better for you guys. And have a great long weekend because your storyboards are due today and you don't have school until Monday, October 19th. Whoop, whoop.